Hi everyone, my name is Marjan Kia. In this PowerPoint, I'm describing my project, and the title of my project is Integrating a Machine Learning Model into Insurance Software. Project Overview. This project integrates a code acceptance prediction model into an insurance software system. Objective project improve decision making for insurance agents by predicting the likelihood of code acceptance. Aligns business strategy with advanced analytics. Business requirements for this project is increase policy conversion rate by 10% over 6 months, automate acceptance prediction to support sales teams, reduce underwriting decision time by 20%, improve customer engagement and retention. Technical requirements for this project. Integrate machine learning model with existing insurance platform. Use Python and REST API for model deployment. Ensure data privacy, accuracy, and real-time response. Scalable cloud architecture with model version control. Use cases for this project, such as agent requests a code and receives a prediction score. The manager monitors code acceptance trends for training, and then the customer reviews the code with a personalized offer. Here is some user stories. As an agent, I want to know if a customer will accept the code so I can tailor my pitch. As a manager, I want to view team performance based on prediction insights. As a customer, I want clear code recommendation so I can decide quickly. This project, I use different kind of diagram for showing the process. One of them is swim-lane diagram. This diagram shows the process for that business. First, the customer logs into the app, displays QR scanner, scanned by customer, displayed service and pricing information, customer adds services to virtual card, customer checks out, process payments through the portal, update inventory in real time, then send receipts via email to customers, send sales reports to manager. It's all process for that project. Here is use case diagram. It's kind of machine learning integration, learning integration for code acceptance prediction in insurance software. This diagram shows all that process and actually shows integration between agent, customers, and the system. Sequence diagram. It depicts steps from code request to prediction response. The whole process it shows in that diagram. UML class diagram describes system classes like code, customer, agent, and prediction model. All process shows in this diagram. Data flow diagram or DFD. It shows all the process include input customer data from the insurance agent and generate code, send data to ML model, return prediction, display to agent, and store result in a database. Project evaluation and concerns. One of them is ensuring model fairness and avoiding based in predictions. Another one is integrating real-time prediction without slowing down system performance. Conclusion for this project. The project supports both businesses' goal and customer satisfaction, combines advanced analytics with intuitive system design, and then sets the stage for future enhancements like renewal prediction or churn analysis. Here is all my references for this project. Thank you for your attention.